Dear Innio team, I wanted to reach out to you today to further elaborate on the Ingage initiative that I talked to you about in the last webcast. As you've heard, we have very ambitious growth plans, and we have those plans in a very, let's say, challenging or dynamic market environment. As a standalone company, we can act with autonomy and independence, but that requires responsibility. So I want us to take responsibility for the collective success of our company. I want us to take responsibility to increase the speed and the agility how we serve our customers, and we are ahead of our competition. So this journey offers many development opportunities for our company as a whole and for every individual who's ready to step up and take over some responsibility. As such, we have then launched this initiative called Ingage in order to get input from you on things and how we work as a company. In this context, we have started this initiative Ingage to get input from you as employees on the way we work and how we can improve the way we work. In particular, we are looking at things that we want to keep, we want to do more of, we want to really maintain moving forward. But we're going to look at things that we need to discontinue, that we need to stop doing, and things that we need to do different just to make sure we capture all the market opportunities and even shape the market that we have ahead of us. For this reason, we have engaged with a specialist consultancy company called Humatica. Over the next few weeks, Humatica will be gathering information about our organization, about the way we work, and ways we have to potentially work better in future. Over the next few days, you will also receive a survey from a third-party vendor called Innio. That survey is voluntary, is anonymous, and actually will be sent out to all of the employees worldwide. That survey will be open as of February 18 until March the 1st. This is really a unique opportunity for each of you to participate, to speak up and address and come forward with any idea that you have about our company. I would really encourage you to actively participate in the survey. In addition, Humatica will conduct a number of in-depth interviews with a number of employees, I guess around 30 to 40, across different geographies, different functions and different levels, really to get a better sense of how we manage the process, how do we manage and implement decisions at Innio. So what's in it for you? This is a unique opportunity for each of you to give input. Your input will be used to determine what changes are needed to continue driving growth in our company. The information will be collected and consolidated by the consultants, and I can tell you nobody at Innio will have access to individual responses provided by each of you. Following the survey, we will report back with the results on the group level and each team level as well. So I really would like to ask each of you to take this opportunity, participate in the survey, and come forward with your opinions and with your views. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your HR manager or directly to your manager. And I really would like to close here and thank you in advance for participating. Thank you.
Tomorrow belongs to the bold.